Umbria has long prized its independence. And sometimes that comes with a price. Over many centuries, as Umbrians tried to resist papal rule, they often had to fend for themselves. Luckily, their lands are fertile, and even today, their woods are home to a rare treasure. Here in the green heart of Italy, one family seeks it out.
Io sono Andrea Bianconi.
Io sono Maurizio Bianconi.
Siamo cercatori di tartufi
in Umbria.
When it comes to artisanal foods, fresh truffles are culinary gold. Umbrians had harvested the elusive fungi for at least 600 years. Still, finding them is an art.
Allora io cerco i tartufi da una decina d'anni.
Io ricerco i tartufi da quando ho 14 anni, con il babbo mi sono appassionato.
A family hobby for generations became a family business 30 years ago.
Brava, 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 dai.
Most varieties of truffles defy cultivation. Finding them requires an expert nose. Narina, or Neri, is the family chief truffle hunter.
Neri, qua. Neri, qua. Vieni, dai. Dai, Neri, qua.
Some truffles can sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars per kilo. So most truffle hunters keep their hunting grounds a secret. A secret that can be deadly. In 1997, the community was scandalized when several truffle dogs were found to be intentionally poisoned. Today, Andrea, Maurizio, and Neri hunt in a private reserve. Umbria's geographic alchemy of soil and climate produces Italy's highest number of black truffles, which grow in this region all year round.
Dai, Neri, qua,
Neri.
aspetta.
Dai, Neri, dai, dai, su, 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 su.
Dai, Neri, dai. Dai, Neri, dai. Dai, Neri, dai. La cosa più importante, naturalmente, è conoscere i posti. È una cosa che parecchio i posti si tramandano da padre in figlio. Quindi.
9-year-old Neri started training as a puppy.
Dai, Neri, dai. Dai, dov'è, dai? Dai, che c'è, dai? Dov'è?
Traditionally, pigs were used to hunt truffles, but were deemed too aggressive, damaging the soil and tending to eat the prize. Italy banned truffle pigs in 1985. Since truffles reproduce by spores, but lie hidden in the ground, being dug up and carried off by animals is part of their reproductive cycle.
Dai, Neri, dai. Dai, Nerina, dai. Dai, che c'è, dai. Dov'è? Dai, Neri, dai. Dov'è? Dov'è, Neri? Eccolo, eccolo. Brava, brava, bravissima. Brava.
Maurizio gently collects the truffle before Neri can eat it up.
Brava, 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 brava. Questo qui è un tartufo nero che ha trovato qui oggi, il primo tartufo della giornata di Nerina. Brava. E ora continuiamo, dai. Proprio sotto l'albero.
Carefully filling the hole protects the site. With luck, they'll find a ripe truffle in about 3 months.
Dai, Neri, dai.
Dai, Neri, dai.
Dai,
Per cercare i tartufi, la prima regola, secondo me, fondamentale è la passione e il voler bene gli animali e amare la natura.
Bravissima, brava, dov'è? Dov'è andato? Eccolo! Bella, brava, 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 bravissima, brava.
Now Neri's on a roll.
Brava.
Her hard work gets rewarded with her favorite biscuit. Precious to her than any truffle.
Oggi Nerina è stata veramente brava. Difatti, ecco il risultato. 8 tartufi che non sono per niente male. Brava, Neri.
It's time for the truffle hunters to enjoy the fruits of their labors, courtesy of Maurizio and Andrea's mother, Gabriella.
I am Gabriella Bianconi and I am truffle chef.
Today's menu: bruschetta and frascarelli pasta, made with garlic, olive oil, and shaved truffles.
When the oil starts to make a bubble around the pan, the sauce is ready. I just warm the truffle, the garlic, and the oil. The bruschetta with black truffle, my favorite.
Gabriella uses the same sauce to adorn her fresh-made pasta.
This pasta is very old and traditional. The name is frascarelli. Frascarelli, the name is from this whisk, frasca.
Frascarelli likely dates back to ancient Roman times, when it was prepared as a quick meal during the busy harvest season. Flour, water, and eggs, with a little lemon, become a silky pasta. The perfect canvas to showcase the truffles.
Frascarelli, very typical recipe from Umbria. The best way to taste the black truffle and very easy to do.
Easy to do as long as you have the truffles. The hunt continues.
Dai, Eddie.
It's training time for Maurizio's daughters, Alessia and Giada, and Andrea's dog, Eddie.
Bravo, bravo! La cosa importante è fargli prenderlo proprio come gioco. Vai, vai, chiamalo. Bravo, dai.
Amici va.
Dai, brava. Bravissima, dov'è?
Truffles and the Bianconi family draw their strength from the connection to Umbrian soil. Each generation prepares the way for the next.
Dai, bravo!
Anche le mie figlie stanno incominciando a seguire questo stile, diciamo, perché anche loro gli animali gli vogliono molto bene. E spero che continuino con questa tradizione, diciamo.